At least 54 people have been killed and scores more injured after the truck they were being transported in crashed in southern Mexico, authorities said. More than 150 people said to be migrants from Central America were crammed into the truck's trailer when it rolled in the state of Chiapas. Pictures from the crash scene showed victims strewn across the road next to the overturned truck. There were also rows of what appeared to be bodies covered in white sheets. It is one of the worst accidents of its kind in Mexico. 49 people were confirmed dead at the scene and 5 more died in hospital, Chiapas Governor Rutilio Escandón said. Some 105 people, 83 men and 22 women, were also injured in the crash, he said. Emergency officials said the victims included men, women, and children. Their nationalities have not been confirmed, but local officials said most of the people on board were from Honduras and Guatemala. The truck was reportedly speeding when it flipped on a sharp bend and hit a pedestrian bridge on the main road leading to the Chiapas state capital, Tuxtla Gutiérrez. Chiapas, which neighbors Guatemala, is a major transit point for undocumented migrants. This is Justina reporting for Donkey's News Lab. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.